wanted to share what I ended up getting at the 2 Home Depots. I do have a purchase from Lowe's from I think last week, but it was a quick stop, so I didn't record, but I'll show you. So here's this is the Crashula baby snack list. I am terrible with these, but I decided to try again. I spoke with Maria to get some tips. She has a very big Crashula collection. I believe Crashulas are her favorite. Maria is from the Succulent Living. I will link her channel below. She has very good content and very successful with having succulents indoor with her grow lights. I believe at a certain time of the year she does bring some of her succulents outdoors. But anyways, then I found this beautiful old man cactus. I don't have anything like this. I just love the way the hair is coming out. It really called my attention. The soil's very wet. I'm going to take it out of there and replant that. Well, I'm going to replant all these, but yes, this one definitely I think needs to come out. I believe there's a different type of old man. This is old man of the Andes. I believe there's another kind of old man cactus and an old lady, but I've only seen I think 2 types. And then this beauty right here is from Lowe's. I cannot believe I found this. This is a very cool looking cactus. It's a cactus aloe. It's a mosaic aloe, and look at how beautiful it is. So this was very exciting. I need to pot her up, and I need to kind of have her raised because these kind of curl down and they start to dig into the soil, and I don't want the tips to get messed up, so I need to do that. And that's it, guys. That's what I purchased these past couple of days. Now I just want to quickly show you guys an update on this. I think I only showed it on my story, but I've talked about propagating. These are all the ones that I propagated again from that hanging plant right here. She's putting out more. So yeah, she's really happy where she's at. So I placed all these in here, and they've already rooted, and they're getting lots of rain and being plumpy. I also moved my dolphin string of dolphins over here because it is very similar to the I think this one is called the banana plant. So it's very similar. So I put her over here, and she is liking it. She has been growing now correctly. Where I had her initially, she just wasn't. This is what the leaves were looking like right here. And now that she's in the right spot, she's growing correctly. And also, she is doing the same thing my other plant does, which is have roots. See? That's root right there. So very easy to propagate as well. You can just trim it up and put it down into the soil, and she will continue to grow. So yeah, that's what I wanted to talk to you about. What else? Oh, I placed this one over here, and I would say she's doing pretty good. This one used to be hanging inside my house by the glass door, south-facing glass door, and now I've moved her over here. So yeah, this is where she's gonna stay, I believe. Hopefully, I don't know. In the summertime, this does get lots of sun, so I'll just have to watch that. This one, let's see. I put it over here because it was just getting too much rain where she was at. But I don't know if I'll leave her there or place her back. I'm not sure. And then I'll talk to you about my Hoya. I don't know much about Hoyas. Like I said, this Hoya was actually gifted to me at a yard sale for free. What I want to do is I'm thinking about changing the pot because I don't like this moldiness here. This does get a lot of rain here as well. That might explain the yellow leaves. But I mean, she's still growing really nicely. Look, it continues to flower for me also very frequently. But yeah, I think I need to, like, maybe, I don't know, I like her hanging, but maybe I'll place her over here because she might get less rain here for some reason. Well, actually my husband cleaned the gutter, so she might get less rain, but I think in the corner she will get less rain. So I think I'm gonna put her there. And I'm gonna change the pot as well because this pot, it just looks terrible. And this stuff just also very ugly. So yeah, that's what I wanted to do, and that's what I wanted to chat to you guys about. This is in dire need of watering. I haven't watered for quite a while, but it has been raining a lot, and remember that succulents absorb moisture from the air. But you can see that this cactus here is very sucked up right here. So yeah, I need to give it a good water. See, this one isn't, but that's because it's fairly new. But this one, it has. So I didn't notice that until now that I pointed it out, that it was that dry. But it's, what is it? It's been probably what, like only 3 weeks of no watering, and it gets like that. I'm surprised. And then this one, I don't know what this one is doing. It has new growth, but it's always looked funky though. It's never looked like, I guess, I don't know if it's supposed to look like that, but it always looks, yeah, like on the funky side. So I don't know. There's one in here. Oh, it's just, I might repot that to have something that comes out a little bit. Maybe it's too deep inside. So yeah, look at this one. This is not the same as the other one that I just showed you. This is a different one. I think this is Snow Blizzard. I'm not sure which is the same one as this one. Look at how pretty she is there. She's so happy there. Very happy there. And the Sansevieria is very happy as well. Clean some of these out here. And the aloe is happy. And these are happy as well in there. It's a very good, this was a very good arrangement, I have to say. Everything looks perfect. Nothing looks sad. And you know what, it has to be, I think it just really likes it here. It likes this spot. Look at, you don't know how many of these I have in the back that are just turning black and dropping its leaves. Maybe I should bring them over here. I have no idea what to do, you know, with them. They've just been looking really sad. And then this one still hasn't stretched out for me, so I don't know if it likes it here. I've been meaning to repot it, but it just looks so pretty as well that I haven't done anything yet. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.